number 4, and this is the last video of chapter 4, and we are at page number 84. I am going to cover the topic substance use disorder. When we use this term substance, it could be alcohol, it could be tobacco, or it could be drugs. So many people, they indulge into such kind of substances. They start taking initially to avoid some stress or anxiety, but later on this leads to disorder. तो वो कैसे है, क्या है, ये सब हम इसमें पढ़ने वाले हैं. So let's begin. Substance use disorder. Addictive behavior. Of course, people get addicted to liquor, tobacco, smoke and everything. So addictive behavior, whether it involves excessive intake. देखिए, general intake होता है just for pleasure, एक होता है excessive intake. और जब भी हम disorder बोलते हैं, things which are not in order becomes disorder. That means things which are not normal, they become abnormal. तो अगर तो general intake है, we say it for the pleasure, but when it becomes smoking में, it's just done for the pleasure once or twice in a day, that's okay. But if it's a chain smoker, तो वो कब उसका disorder convert हो जाता है पता ही नहीं चलता. Okay, similarly liquor and the other substances. Excessive intake, लिख लीजिएगा, of high calorie food resulting in extreme obesity or involving the abuse of substance such as alcohol or cocaine is one of the most severe problems being faced by society today. Disorders relating to maladaptive behavior resulting from regular and consistent use of the substance involved called substance addictive disorder कहते हैं हम इसको. इसमें पहले substance abuse था, अब addictive disorders. These disorders, इसके बारे में अब आप notes में लिखेंगे भी. These disorders include problems associated with using and abusing. एक होता है use, एक abuse, excess. Such drugs as alcohol, cocaine, heroin, which alter the way people think, feel and behave. There are two subgroups of substance use disorder, those relating to substance dependence and substance abuse. तो आप इसे नोट कर लीजिएगा. Substance dependence, और दूसरा हमने क्या कहा? Sorry, substance abuse. All right. So हम इनकी बात कर रहे हैं. Number 1, start with heading बनाइए substance dependence. There is intense craving for dependence है ना, बस उसके बिना रहा नहीं जाएगा. So craving होगी for this substance to which the person is addicted. And the person shows tolerance, withdrawal symptoms and compulsive drug taking. लेना ही है. Tolerance means that the person has to use more and more of a substance to get the same effect. मतलब he will be okay अगर वो ये लेता रहे. All right. Withdrawal क्या है? Tolerance तो हो गया, अगर वो regularly इसे लेते जा रहा है तो वो अपना सोच रहा है कि I am in control. Withdrawal refer to physical symptoms that occur when a person stops or cuts down on the use of psychoactive substance. ये actually आपको psychoactive करते हैं. That is a substance that has the ability, क्या होते हैं psychoactive substance? That has the ability to change an individual's consciousness, mood, thinking process. बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है कि लिकर के बाद they start thinking better, they behave better. ये उनकी अपनी वो है, perception है अपने बारे में कि हम लिकर या इसको लेने के बाद हम ऐसा करते हैं. अगर वो ये छोड़ देंगे तो शायद ये behavior distort हो जाएगा. Substance abuse, दूसरा. Dependence we are done with. Abuse. There are recurrent and significant adverse consequences relating to the use of substances. People who regularly ingest drugs damage their family, social. हमने बहुत बार movies में देखा है, real life में भी सुना है. बहुत बार लोग drugs के लिए अपनी family तक को खत्म ही हो जाती हैं. They sell their whole property to buy this stupid drug, and they are poor at their work, at home. They create physical hazards, and there are many things. We will now focus on the 3 most common form of abuses. Substance abuse, that is alcohol abuse and dependence, heroin abuse and dependence, cocaine use, abuse and dependence. We'll start with alcohol. People who abuse alcohol drink large amount regularly and rely on it to help them face difficult situations. Eventually, the drinking interferes with their social behavior and ability to think and work. Of course, when they take excess of everything is bad. So generally, if they are taking this as a medicine, it's perfectly fine. But when it comes to excessive or regular ho gaya, so that creates the difficult situation for the person and the family also. Eventually, the drinking interferes with their social behavior, ability to think and work. For many people, the pattern of alcohol abuse extends to dependence. मतलब क्या हो जाता है, उस पर डिपेंड ही हो जाते हैं, अब उनकी जिंदगी उसके बिना नहीं चल सकती. That is, their bodies built up a tolerance for alcohol and they need to drink even greater amount to feel its effect. और हर बार उनकी उसको लेने की कैपेसिटी पिछली वाली क्वांटिटी से उन्हें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि अब इम्यून हो जाती है बॉडी एंड उनको लगता है कि हमें अभी तो बेटर फील नहीं हुआ एंड दे कीप ऑन इंक्रीजिंग द क्वांटिटी एवरी टाइम, which is harmful. They also experience withdrawal response when they stop thinking. उन्हें लगता है अगर हम नहीं कर पाएंगे, स्टॉप ड्रिंकिंग करेंगे या नहीं लेंगे तो फिर हम क्या हो जाएगा, हमारी सिचुएशन खराब हो जाएगी. Alcoholism destroys millions of families. ये लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, पहले तक लिखना था. Social relationships, careers, intoxicated drivers are responsible for many road accidents. We drink and drive इतनी बार लगा होता है, लेकिन they do. ये लाइन लिखिएगा. It also has serious effects on the children of persons with this disorder. These children have higher rates of psychological problems, particularly anxiety, depression, phobias, substance-related disorder. Excessive drinking can serious damage physical health, of course. So ये features आप डालिएगा. इनके बच्चों पर बड़ा बुरा असर पड़ता है. ये भी दो तरह की चीज़ करते हैं, या तो they behave in the same manner, या वो बिल्कुल opposite कहते हैं हम ऐसे नहीं होंगे, लेकिन they are always under stress क्योंकि घर में मारपीट ये सब देखा होता है. Some of the ill effects of alcohol on health and psychological functioning are presented in box 4.3. So you have box 4.3 here. Ethyl alcohol nervous system को खराब करता है, slows down the functioning. ये सब आप general हैं, आप इनको go through करेंगे और learn करेंगे. Heroin abuse and dependence. Heroin intake significantly interferes with social and occupational functioning. Most abusers further develop a dependence on heroin, revolving their lives around the substance, building up a tolerance for it, and experiencing a withdrawal reaction when they stop taking it. The most direct danger of heroin abuse is an overdose. क्योंकि बहुत बार हम सुनते हैं कि people are dying because they have taken overdose. Overdose क्यों जाती? सेम वही पहले वाली डोज से फिर कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता, बॉडी इम्यून हो चुकी होती है. Which slows down the respiratory system. Respiratory system फंक्शन करना बंद कर देता है, स्लो हो जाता है, फिर वो ब्रेन पे इफेक्ट करेगा. सारे सिस्टम्स कनेक्टेड है ना बेटे, नर्वस सिस्टम, नर्व सिस्टम सब कुछ कनेक्टेड है. Almost paralyzed breathing and in many cases causing death. Cocaine abuse and dependence. Regular use of cocaine may lead to a pattern of abuse in which the person may be intoxicated throughout the day and function poorly in social relationships and at work. It may also cause problems in short-term memory and attention. भूलने लगते हैं. Dependence may develop so that cocaine dominates the person's life. More of the drug is needed to get the desired effect. बात समझे? And stopping. It results in feeling of depression. Again वही, अगर आप रोकने की कोशिश करते हैं या वो खुद करते हैं तो depression, fatigue, restlessness, helplessness की feeling इन्हें होती है. Sleep problems, irritability, anxiety. बहुत बार हमने देखा movies में कि उन्हें अगर rehabilitate भी किया गया है, जहाँ से drugs को मतलब लोगों को हटाया जाता है, de-addictive centers हैं वहाँ जहाँ भेजा जाता है, तो वहाँ भी लोग restless सा feel करते हैं. Cocaine poses serious dangers. It has dangerous effect on psychological functioning and physical well-being. Some of the commonly abused substances are given in 4.4. You should only be aware: alcohol, amphetamines, caffeine. Caffeine भी, चाय और कॉफी भी excess में लेना is not good. Cannabis, then cocaine, hallucinogens, and then inhalants, inhalation करते हैं, nicotine, opioid. Then you have penicillin and then sedatives. So these all are the substances on which people sometimes depend upon, right? So this was all about psychological disorders chapter. You have review questions at the back exercise, in the back exercise of this chapter. You must practice these, क्योंकि जो लेंदी क्वेश्चंस आते हैं 5 नंबर वाले, वो ज़्यादातर आपके बैक एक्सरसाइजेस से आते हैं. All right, bye bye, take care.